on now, let's talk about the big story that everybody is discussing, everybody is talking about. What if you wake up tomorrow, type your name into Google and its AI tells the world you are a fraud, that you run a scam, that you are linked to criminals? You know it's false. Your family knows it's false, but millions of people see it as the first answer on the world's biggest search engine in its AI search overview section. So who do you sue? The algorithm or Google? A German court has now delivered a landmark answer that could change the future of artificial intelligence globally. The case began when two Munich-based publishing companies discovered that Google's AI overview was falsely linking them to scams, subscription traps, and dubious business practices. According to the court, the AI had mixed up information about completely different companies and presented those claims as fact. Even more significantly, the court found that some of the statements generated by the AI did not appear in any of the websites Google had cited as sources. Let's in fact break down the story for you. Let's graphically try and understand. Artificial intelligence is changing the way we search, read, and make decisions. But when AI gets it wrong, who takes responsibility? So a landmark court ruling in Germany has now delivered one of the world's biggest legal tests for AI accountability, holding Google responsible for defamatory content generated by its AI overviews. And here's why this judgment could redefine the future of AI liability. The Munich court rules against Google's AI. This case was filed by two Munich-based publishers. AI falsely linked them to scams and fraud. And this is what the court said. AI overview is Google's own content. It's not a traditional search result. Google's verify the links defense has been rejected by the court. The court also said AI created claims not found in sources, and Google has been ordered to stop the false claims. Google will now bear 80% of the legal costs. There'll of course be an appeal. Appeal is likely to happen. Ruling could shape future of AI liability. So the two publishers first sent Google a cease and desist notice, asking the company to stop spreading the false claims. They alleged Google did not respond adequately. They then approached the regional court of Munich, seeking a temporary injunction to stop the AI overview from continuing to publish what they said were false defamatory statements about their businesses. Google argued that AI overviews should be treated like traditional search results. The judges disagreed. They said a search engine merely points users to other websites. An AI overview does something very different. It reads, analyzes, combines, rewrites, and presents information in its own words. That makes the AI summary a new independent statement and therefore Google's own content. So why does this ruling set a precedent? Let's explain that as well. The ruling establishes legal principles that could now influence how courts around the world treat AI platforms. From defining AI responses as a platform's own content to rejecting the defense that users should verify information themselves, the judgment lays down precedents that could reshape the rules of the AI era. Number one, AI output is equal to the platform's content, which is what the court said in this case as well, that the AI overview is Google's content. Number two, firms liable for AI responses. The firms cannot run away from that by saying that users themselves will have to verify information. Precedent number three, AI is not traditional search engine. Number four, verified yourself is no defense and the court in this case has not accepted it. Number five, AI summaries face bigger legal test. Number six, AI cannot hide behind algorithms anymore. Number seven, and the last one, defamed users get direct legal remedy. So Google has responded by saying it invests heavily in the quality of AI overviews, that the vast majority of its responses are accurate, and that AI can sometimes miss context or misinterpret information. The company has said it is reviewing the decision, which is not yet final, and is expected to challenge the ruling. Why does the ruling matter? Let's delve into it further. As per reports, Google spokesperson has said, and I quote, AI overviews are designed to reflect information that already exists on the web. We invest deeply in the quality of AI overviews to ensure that the overwhelming majority of responses provide accurate information, and they are designed to reflect the information that exists on the web. AI overviews can occasionally miss context or misinterpret web content, just like traditional search results. We are carefully reviewing this decision, which is not yet final. This is Google's response. The verdict may be out, but the legal battle is only beginning. Google is expected to appeal to higher courts they could weigh in, and the outcome may shape how AI is regulated across the world. Now, here's what happens next. These are the options available to Google. Legal options are available. Google can challenge the order. The case may go to higher courts. AI liability debate could likely, intensify in the future. It could influence future AI litigations. Global tech firms are very closely watching this particular development. It could be a landmark test for AI accountability.
I would probably say people should understand the fact that everything that AI says is not completely true, right? It's just behaving on how it's told to do. So you as a person should not fully trust the AI. You should verify your sources. So you are also responsible if you fully believed and took action. But there also is a case where, if AI is putting bad things to other people, then that's wrong. But if whenever you're putting a prompt, always, verify that.
In my opinion, AI is the new thing. So what needs to be there are safeguards around it, because we are seeing a lot of ways that AI is getting misused as well. One of the myths that's going on is that AI is going to take over jobs. Not immediately. It still needs human intervention to train it. So I think freaking out about it is not an answer. Prepared? Yes. But panicking? No. Not right now. So it's not at a place where it will give you 100% information. We need to train it to do so. Now, for that to happen, it needs to have enough accurate information in the database for it to draw the answers from.
I think that is just an eyewash for now. There are multiple other reasons because of which the companies are downsizing or they're increasing their infrastructure, for which the humans are getting affected, but it's definitely not the AI.
I feel like when it comes to any form of Gen AI, where we are feeding information for AI to develop based on what we are feeding, they definitely need robust policies to, sort of run a check as to what they are storing, what kind of information they are storing. And yeah, so I feel that the legal aspect of it is extremely strong.
Quick break. With that news and updates, we'll continue. Stay on with us.